Alright guys, welcome back. So we've fitted all the trim pieces and everything in the centre here. Centre console back together. New ECU's being put in, we sent that word to get reset. That's all been fitted. Obviously it's just the same as removal. Just putting it all back together, it's just lots of screws and stuff. And then the airbag cam, the right one. I'll just show you the back connector there. Grant's like soldered them up together, but he's bought a new clock spring to... just a temporary fix basically. I mean that would work fine, but it's a little janky, so we're going to just replace the whole wiring loom. But they're a bit of a mission, you got to turn to the clock spring or something, so we've ordered one, we're just waiting for it to come. But yeah, that's the inside all back together now, everything's sorted. Is the airbag light on or not, Grant? Alright, we'll check that later, see if the airbag light's on. Obviously we've got the windscreen that needs replacing, but just work on the front end now. Just changed the belt over there. Just need a new tensioner. Get that sorted. On this new hose in. We'll just put that bar on there for a second, but we'll take that back off and then add all the rad up together. Maybe put a little time lapse. The rad, the AC, the oil.
Oh, the filters there.
Oh, what, change the oil?
Yeah,
oh yeah, it's easy accessible. We'll do that then first. Take this off and then get everything put back together basically. And see if it runs alright with no lights on the dash.
I see the light inside you, brighter than the sky.
Alright, we've just serviced it. New oil filter on. Oil's all filled up. Just emptying it out. So we'll get ready and put the rad pack on now. And then the AC condenser and the oil. Have you got, what's the oil cooler? Have you got that all set up? Intercooler, yeah, that's the one. Get the intercooler all sorted. That's the oil cooler. Just attach it all back together, then put the crash bar on.
Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight. We have the world in our sight, and I know together we'll be alright. Can you see forever we will go?
Right, we've just finished connecting everything back up. All the AC lines, intercoolers, hoses, radiator hoses. Like everything's back up. Bottom one, we'll just put that one back in. And this one here, a little hose there. Meant to be one coming off the radiator, but there isn't. So that's fun. To take the radiator out and just get a new one, I guess. But it was all going well, to be fair. The bottom bar on. That's all on. Everything lines up nicely. It's a shame all that radiator. I'll have to be waiting now a couple of days. Unless we can get one today or something.
5 o'clock.
What time is it?
5 o'clock.
Oh, we ain't get one today. Well, we'll cut back in when we've got a new radiator. We're finishing off this front end. If you're liking this so far though, give it a like please guys, and we'll see you in a second. Alright guys, we're back on it today. Grant's already put the new radiator in. Bought a new one, you can just about see it there. It's got that little hose connector that we're on about, so that's all on. Got everything tightened up here. We're just replacing this hose because we found a little bit of a mark in it, so you can see it's just about went through there. You can see it's, so we've got a new one, so we're going to fit that on there. We've got a new intercooler as well, because the old one, we just didn't trust it, so we thought we'd just get a new one.
We're gonna have sand in it.
Oh, it's sand in it, yeah. That's all sorted. So a new one of them, new radiator. Put this hose back on. Probably then fit the washer bottle maybe. Get the crash bar on. Headlights in. Bumper on. We should be good to go then. Grant's repaired both the headlights. Don't know if he wants me to show you this, but that's solid now.
It's better than 400 quid.
Yeah, better than 400 quid. So, just get this little hose on here.
Still try and get the black one on.
Yeah. Get that on. We should be good to go. Right, we've got that hose all clipped in and solid. So everything's on now that we can start it and hopefully see if there's any codes or issues. Obviously there'll be a couple for washer bottles and headlights and stuff, but just make sure there's no engine lights or anything like that. I can't remember if we showed you the inside afterwards. I'm pretty sure I did. I was just going to clip this steering wheel airbag on. You can see the centre console's all back together. Looks very fresh now. Right, everything's sorted. I've sorted that airbag out. Grant's going to give it a start. Oh, it sounds spot on. Sounds like a brand new engine. Wow. It's actually really quiet. Might be sound a little louder on here, but yeah, wow, that's sounds really good, that. See if there's any lights on the dash. Bro, that sounds brand new, that. Did you hear it? Like, it started off a little loud, but then it went really quiet.
Changed the oil,
Yeah.
so it couldn't have worked.
Yeah.
It said gearbox error, but that disappeared. Now it's got an airbag plate on.
Got airbag,
But
engine management.
That'll be cleared off, the airbag.
Engine management probably will be as well, because all the sensors are back. We'll get the scanner on it now.
You've got a shit ton of fuel in it as well. Apparently nothing's...
Get the scanner on it now, and then we'll hopefully clear all them codes up. Alright, we're just clearing the codes now. There was a couple on there, but irrelevant really. You just clear them, start the car, see if they come back, kind of thing. So we'll see what we've got off the rip. USB port, vehicle speed, front left turn.
All the lights.
Oh, it's just lights. That's irrelevant then.
And that's it.
Alright, start it and see if any codes come back.
Well, it should be... Put the ignition on and it should disappear. Or not.
Airbag went.
Oh.
Oh, came back. Start it and just see what happens. There's one light gone. Airbags still there. Might be seat belts.
Might be.
Do another code now, I was winning.
We probably haven't connected something again.
Driver's seatbelt protection, deployment control, drivers. Thought so.
So driver's side seatbelt,
Get that replaced, they're just irrelevant.
all the lights. They're literally just all the parking sensors.
That's irrelevant.
That's historic. Parking brake. Surely that should have came back then.
Power assisted steering.
Humidity sensor.
I think when we got everything connected, we'll redo it, because I feel like some of these could be something to do with the front end
Half the shit
being
being
not on.
Yeah.
But yeah, engine management light's gone, that's good. Right then, sweet. We'll get the front end put back together. Right, we've just put this into place here, just like slightly. We need to screw it all in, make sure everything's correct. Got the crash bar on, that's all solid now. Got this like wind kind of funnel in. This top one's in. Just get this washer bottle all connected and solid, and then we can start putting the headlights in, I would have thought. Alright, we've got this front plastic piece on. It gives us a little bit of a headache, so it's raining and that, so we'll just quickly got that done. Just put on the headlight in now. There's a little plastic bracket thing that goes on top of these. Screws in on here, so just pop that in. Just check and make sure it all looks right. The washer bottle's all in. Just don't need to connect it properly though. We're getting there with it though. It's coming along nicely. Right, got the headlight all in, screwed in. Just putting this little side piece on. Just get all that centered and make sure that's all correct. Then we'll repeat the same on the other side. There's one there. So it's half done now. That one's done now. So both on. What next then? So this washer bottle out quickly, just the hoses, right?
Yeah.
And then front bumper.
I believe so. What screws that for a front bumper, you know?
Yeah, There's only like 4 in there, what are you on about?
What's the matter? I'm trying to say every one is like bad job.
To be fair, there's a lot of plastic. They'll all be gone. You might have had some freebies with the other stuff though, possibly.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, probably.
We'll go with that.
But we'll see when we're left. See what this needs screwed in, I think. Does it?
No, the bumper plastic screws for it.
Oh, okay. Yeah. All right. We'll quickly sort that wash bottle out, and then we'll put the bumper on. Well, we'll fill it with some fluid first, just make sure it's not leaking as well. All right, we've got the bumper here. Front end's ready to go. We've checked all the washer jets, they're all working. Apart from these two, they do work, but they're very powerful for some reason. Like they're just like it's like running a tap. It's not like spraying. It's just, isn't it? It's like fucking hose pipe or something. So that's the only thing. But everything else working. These ones are working. The back's working. So that's all good to go. Just gonna pop this on now, connect everything up, and hopefully it starts looking like a Range Rover again. Alright guys, we finally got that front bumper on. I'll give it a little wash and a little bit of a polish in places just to make it look a little tidier. Still need to get this arch liner trim on. And I think Grant's just doing this side now. Yeah, just putting this trim on. But as you can see, it's looking a lot better. This grill's slightly broken, so we need to replace that. Apart from that, obviously the bonnet's got a dent in it still. Windscreen needs doing, but yeah, it's looking lovely now. We're very happy with it now, I think. Obviously we started it up. What was the only issue? Oh yeah, the seat belt. It works, but the pre-tensioner must have gone in it, so we have got another seat belt in the back. So we'll change that off, and hopefully then there won't be the airbag light on. I think that's pretty much it. There's a couple of little bits and bobs that need doing to it, but overall, obviously number plate on and stuff, but overall it's pretty much done now. It's drivable anyway. Oh well, actually need the windscreen doing first before you can legally drive it. But yeah, happy days guys. Might be another video on it. I don't know if there will be, but we'll see. Maybe just on the little bits and bobs and just a test drive and stuff. Yeah, thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next one.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight,